So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
For me, the question called Hagia Sophia, because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyamoe institution.
Because the great work of China is busy, but for today, battle coming for God is meant to kill all sickness will be the human stomach as zombie.
Okay, hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are live, and I would like to welcome you to the second game of the day and the second game of the round of 12 of the mathematics quiz of the National Quiz Games for Librarian Schools. We are here to knock on the doors of our students, making sure that they know the fundamentals of arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and the likes of probability and other related subject areas that are connected to the quantitative or the STEM program. So we present to you some of the finest math students in the country. Again, when we say in the country, we mean nationwide. We're not speaking in respect to only Montserrado County. We're talking about nationwide. And to be fair, currently we operate in 6 counties. So we represent math students here, comes from 6 counties, and cover the abilities or capabilities of students from 6 counties. Having said that, we'd like to move over to Patmelia from Montserrado County to give us 30 seconds of intro. Patmelia.
Representing Patmelia Academy School System. My name is Darius Muhammad Jr. I mean Darius.
Thank you, Darius. We'll switch our pendulum to DRIMS School System from Grand Bassa County. DRIMS, please take 30 seconds to introduce yourself.
Thank you for the time, Virgin. It is a great opportunity to be in studio again. Student Peter M. Boss is my name. Today I remain constant.
Thomas Tape. Please acquaint them with the rules that we're going to pay attention to, and then we'll move on into the game.
So, folks, firstly, I want to say you are welcome to this wonderful encounter. So, the audience out there, stay with us as we go through this game. However, to the students in studio, we have 3 major rules that are going to govern this game. The first one is that the question will go for 1 minute, at most 1 minute. Rule number 2, if you think you answer a question in less than a second, or you can answer a question in 5 seconds, when you push the bell, you are recognized to provide an answer. You have only 10 seconds to provide an answer. When you push the bell and you are recognized to provide answers, you have only 10 seconds to provide an answer. And the last rule is that whatever questions you solve, you have to prove to us that you understand the question, you know the fundamental of the question, by explaining to us the steps towards your answer. So if you cannot prove that you understand the question and solve it by yourself, you will not be awarded the points. So these are the 3 major rules to govern this game. My name is Thomas Tape Jr. Once again, I want to say you guys are welcome to this game. I wish you luck.
Thank you, Thomas. Patmelia, what is your boosting point?
Pass.
Patmelia, what is your boosting point? Patmelia, please be fast. Pass. All right. DRIMS, what is your boosting point?
D.
That indeed. That indeed. These are opposing points. You already know the rules. You've heard the rules, and you should be acquainted with the rules. We'll move on to question number 1. Pen to paper. Question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1. Find the zeros of the function. Find the zeros of the function. The function here is f of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 9x plus 36. F of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared minus 9x plus 36. Find the zeros of the function.
Pass.
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 10 seconds. 1.
X will be equals to plus or minus 3 or x is equals to 4.
Teach me.
Here to solve this problem, I have x cubed minus 4x squared minus 9x plus 36. I factor by grouping by saying x cubed minus 4x squared in one parenthesis and minus 9x plus 36 in another parenthesis. Since I want factor up, I will say x squared parenthesis open x minus 4 it close it. To factor all the next parenthesis, I will say minus 9 parenthesis open. Since I'm removing minus 9, the x will give me positive, and then I will change the sign of 36 to give me negative 4. So I will get x squared minus I will get x squared parenthesis open x minus 4 it closes. Minus 9 parenthesis open x minus 4. Yeah.
Did I play there?
Bassa can't take dreams. The coordinator is talking too much in the background. Please tell him. He's talking too much. Please tell him right now. Please.
I just told him version.
I for x by equating both equations. Getting me?
Yes. Take 10.
Hello?
Take 10. Take 10 points. Take 10 points. Questions number 2. Please pay attention to the question. Questions number 2. Question number 2. A rectangle is inscribed in a regular hexagon. A rectangle is inscribed in a regular hexagon. One side of the hexagon is 7. What would be the area of the rectangle? One side, the coordinator talking too much in the background. Please tell him to step away. Please tell him to step away. We can hear his conversation. A rectangle is inscribed in a regular hexagon. One side of the hexagon is 7. What will be the area of the rectangle?
G.
Dreams. 10 seconds.
Yes. The area of the rectangle will be nothing else but 36.
Nothing else but 36. You're wrong. A rectangle is inscribed in a regular hexagon. One side of the hexagon is 7. What would be the area of the rectangle? 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Patmelia, time. Take time. The answer is 49 with 3. You already know rectangle is what? Length times weight. The length is given as what? 7. What is the width? To find the width, you have to transform one side, one of the diagram there will have to look like a triangle, and you have to make it a 30, 60, 90 triangle. If it is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, you already have 7. So that side of the width will be 7√3. So it's 7 times 7√3 is 49√3. The question is number 3. Question is number 3. Due to 5% inflation, Ivan's monthly salary was increased by $800 to keep up with the economy. What was Ivan's new salary? Due to 5% inflation, Ivan's monthly salary was increased by $800. What would be Ivan's new salary? Due to 5% inflation, Ivan's monthly salary was increased by $800. What would be Ivan's new salary? One second.
T.
Dreams. Answer. 10 seconds.
His new salary was $760.
Wrong. Due to 5% inflation, Ivan's monthly salary was increased by $800. What would be his new salary?
1,640.
1,640. You're wrong. His new salary will be 16,800. And the trick there is to find the original salary. What was the original salary? To find the original salary, the formula will be percentage change, which is 5%, is equal to 800 divided by X. When you solve for that, you have what? 16,000. And that's how we come to the end of question number 3. Thomas Tappe, over to you. And the school year is DRIMS School System 0 and Patmelia 10. Thomas, you got somebody, you got a guest in the building. Darlington Boya is around today. Hello to you, Darlington Boya. Go ahead, Thomas.
I just saying.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Long time. So,
I hear you, Fernand.
are you hearing me now? Hello?
Fernand, Dream not hearing you.
Both schools, are you guys hearing me?
Yes, I hear you.
Hello?
Again.
Dream not
Dream, are
hearing
you
you.
hearing me?
I hear you.
I don't know. You have to reconnect, Dream. Are you hearing me now?
I hear you.
Dreams, are you hearing me?
Oh, I hear you, man. Hello.
Yeah, Dreams, are you hearing me?
Fernand.
Yeah, are you hearing me?
$16,800. So while we're waiting for Dreams, Patmelia, let's go over it, right? So the formula there, the trick is to find the original amount, which is not given. It's increased by 800, but what is the original amount? The original amount is percentage change. It's equal to change divided by starting point. Your starting point is your X, right? And you got the change, and you got the percentage change. So percentage change is 5%, which is 0.05 equal to 800 divided by x, right? So it's 0.05x equal 800. That means 800 now divided by 0.05, which should be equal to 16,000. So that's your original. So your original, then you go back to the question. It was increased by what? 800. Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello, are you guys hearing me now?
Yeah, we're hearing you.
Yeah, but
So the score is 10 points to Patmelia and 0 to Dream School System. 3 questions has been read. We have 3 more questions or 6 questions to come as the first half. The question is question number 4. In a read. Question number 4 for both schools. If the if term of an arithmetic sequence is 20 and the sum of the first 8 terms is 88, find the first term. I read again. If the if term of an arithmetic sequence is 20 and the sum of the first 8 terms is 88, find the first term. I read for the last time. If the if term of an arithmetic sequence is 20 and the sum of the first 8 terms is 88, find the first term.
can you please read the sum of the first one? Again?
You have 10 more seconds. I read for the last time. If the if term of an arithmetic sequence is 20 and the sum of the first 8 term is 88, find the first term.
T.
Dreams.
Yes. So the first thing there will be nothing else but 2.
The first term will be nothing else but 2. Teach me.
Yeah, so this is our arithmetic progression question, having the 8th term to be 20. So let's deal with the 8th term first. So the formula for arithmetic sequence, finding the nth term is Tn equal A, which is the first term, plus parenthesis will be n, which is the number of 10, minus 1, times d, which is the common difference. And you get the nth term to be 20. So definitely in place of T about 20 there, you now get the first thing, like the first thing we're finding. You got A plus the nth thing you get, which is 8, plus parenthesis will be 8 minus 1. You now get a common difference, so it remains constant D. We solve the equation, we get 20 will be equal to A plus 7D. That's the first equation. We keep it here for. Then we go to the sum, because we talk about sum also. The sum formula say Sn equal n over 2, which is the number of 10 divided by 2, parenthesis open, 2A plus parenthesis open, n minus 1 equal to times D. It gets sum to be 88. So it will be 88 equal, it get the number of 10, which is the 18 to be 8. So it will be 88 equal 8 all over 2, bracket open, 2A remain constant because we don't know A value, plus the number of 10 is already 8. So it will be n, it will be 8 minus 1 times D. And then when you solve the equation, you get 22, you got 2A plus 7D. Solving the both equations simultaneously for the value of A, we get A to be equal to 2.
10 points. 10 points. The question is question number 5 in a read for both schools. Solve for x in this equation. 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. I read again. Solve for x in D. You have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3.
Yes, the value of S is nothing else but just n to be equal to plus or minus 1, while s to be equal to 3 or 2.
Teach me.
Yeah, so this is our equation that was in the form of the first question previously. take the zero, find the zero of the function. So we group the two equations. The first one we put it in parentheses, we put the second one in parentheses, and then we factor out. We factor out the first parentheses, which is 2s cubed minus 3s squared. Factoring out s squared, there s squared can also get we have s squared parentheses will be 2s minus 3. A close it. Then the next parentheses factoring we have 2s plus 3. 2s plus 3 only have negative 1 in common, so we factor out negative 1. We go minus 1 parentheses will be 2s minus 3. A close it all equal to 0. When we observe 2s minus 3, 2s minus 3, there twice. So we put it in one parenthesis, 2s minus 3. A close it. Then we have s squared and negative 1 also. We put in one parenthesis 2. S squared minus 1. You just factor in by grouping. A close it equals 0. We take it one at a time. We take 2s minus 3 equals 0 squared. We send it to 3 across. We got 2s equals 3. We have both about 2. We get 3 over 2 as s first value. And then we take the second parenthesis, which is s squared minus 1 equals 0. We send it 1 across. We get s squared equals 1. Taking the square root on both sides according to quadratic rule. We have s will be equal to plus or minus 1. Which is second value. So
Take your breath,
so
take
s
your
we got
breath, 10 points. The question is question number 6. In a read for both schools. Are you guys hearing me?
Yes, Virgin.
yeah, Virgin.
In a read, a box contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. I read again. A box contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. What is the probability of drawing 2 red balls consecutively without replacement? What is the probability of drawing 2 red balls consecutively without replacement? D.
Probability of drawing 2 red balls without replacement is nothing else but just 1 over 4, Virgin. 1 over 4.
1 over 4 is not correct. You are wrong. Patmelia. Your question. A ball contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. What is the probability of drawing 2 red balls consecutively without replacement? You have 20 more seconds remaining for you. 20 more seconds on the clock. Ten more seconds remaining for you. Count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time. Correct and precise answer is 2 or 9. Correct and precise answer is 2 or 9. The probability of drawing the first red ball will be 5 over 10, that is 1 over 2. The probability of drawing the second red ball will be 4 over 9. So 1 over 2 times 4 over 9 will give you 4 over 18. If you simplify it, it will be 2 over 9. Simple probability question. And that was question number 6 in the first half.
Let's move to question number 7. Can you hear me? Dreams, can you hear me? Patmelia, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, Virgin.
Yeah.
2 triangles are said to be similar. 2 triangles are said to be similar. The hypotenuse of the smaller triangle is 13. The shorter side of the smaller triangle is 5, and the base of the smaller triangle is 12. The hypotenuse of the longer triangle is 52. The shorter leg of the bigger triangle is 20, and the base of the bigger triangle is x. Find the value of x. 2 triangles are said to be similar. The first triangle hypotenuse is 13. The shorter leg is 5 and the base is 12. The bigger triangle hypotenuse is
D, 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 D.
D. 10 seconds.
Yeah,
1, 2,
so S value there will be nothing else
4.
but just for the A.
For the A, teach me.
Yeah, so these are similar triangles in mathematics, and then similar triangle and triangle that have the size concrete. That is a size equal. So you create a first triangle, you call the hypotenuse to be 13, the base to be 12, and the shorter leg to be 5. The second triangle, you call it the hypotenuse to be 62, the shorter leg to be 20, and the base to be X. So right now, because they are similar triangle, so the sides are concrete. So definitely was a 13 is also concrete to 52. So the 13 equal 52. Then the base are also equal to. So you can put it in proportion form. So they say 13 over 12 equal 52 over S.
Save your breath, and you can put it in proportion form. That's all I was waiting for. Save your breath. Take 10 points. Take 10 points. And the score is Patmelia 30 points. 10 points, and DRIMS 15, 30 points. The margin is 20 in favor of DRIMS. Save your breath. Take 10. All right, so we'll await Patmelia to rejoin us from the studio there in Montserrado County. The current score is DRIMS School System 30 and Patmelia 10. Please join us for the last game of the day, where we hope to see the College of West Africa, CWA, for short, going up against Samoa International. And Samoa International also comes from Montserrado County. So the two schools that are going to be playing the last game, both of them come from Montserrado County.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful.
Oh.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Call me the Kwesiko Hakia Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyamonga institution.
All right, DRIMS, are you back? Amelia, are you back? Question is number 8. Question is number 8. A bag contains 8 red balls and X blue balls. The odds against drawing a blue ball are 2 to 5. What is the value of X?
Come again, Virgin.
A bag contains 8 red balls and X blue balls. The odds against drawing a blue ball are 2 to 5. What is the value of X? D. DRIMS. 10 seconds. 1, 2.
Yes. So the value of S will be nothing else but
6.
16 over 3.
16 over 3. You're wrong. Patmelia. A ball contains 8 red balls and X blue balls. The odds against drawing a blue ball are 2 to 5. What is the value of X? One. You got 20 seconds on the clock. You got 10 seconds on the clock. 8,
Yes,
7.
take my
Answer.
answer to be equals to nothing else but
7.
11.
Wrong. The answer is 20. The answer is 20. The answer is 20. The answer
How
is 40.
vegan?
How? You
Yeah,
want
I
to
don't know, please.
Okay, yes, it's set up.
Yeah.
What's the probability of the event of the red ball? Is 8 or over 8 plus x.
Yeah, sure, exactly.
The probability of the blue ball is what? X or over what? 8
X
plus
plus
x.
8.
No, yeah,
Yeah.
there you go. So you have 8 or over 8 plus x to x over 8 plus x is equal to 2.5, right? So the 2 there means that you are dealing with division. Now, if you are dealing with division, that's a complex fraction. You got to switch it around to our multiplication, right? So you have
Yeah.
over x plus x times 8 plus x over x. 8 plus x will cancel 8 plus x. You'll be left with what? 8 all over x is equal to 2.5. Then you do your manipulation from there, that will give you x is equal to 20.
That's true, vegan.
Question is number 6. Number 9. Question is number 9. Solve for x. Solve for x. The root of 3x minus the cube root of 4x. Solve for x. The root of 3x minus the cube root of x.
Come
Solve
again,
for
again.
x.
Can
The
you please
root
come
of
again?
x minus the cube root of 4x.
Can you please come again?
Solve for x. The root of 3x minus the cube root of 4x.
All?
Yep.
Okay.
I can't make another question. Yeah, I can't make another question. Is instead of minus is equal. The cube root of the root of 3x. I will read the question. Sorry, my bad. I will read the question. The root of 3x is equal to the cube root of 4x. I come again. The root of 3x is equal to the cube root of 4x. So for x, the root of 3x is equal to the cube root of 4x. $20 seconds. $10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. X is equal to 0, and x is equal to 16 over 27. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 16 over 27. Thomas Tabet, over to you for the second half.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. Without much time to waste, we move on to the second half. The question is question number 1, second half. And I read for both schools. Question number 1. And I read. Find the y-intercept of the function f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 4.
D.
F of D. You have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4.
The one intercept here will be
7,
nothing else but
8.
-2.
-2 is wrong. Patmelia, find the y-intercept of the function. F of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. You have 15 more seconds remaining. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, that might end up being 4.
4. Y-intercept. Modify your answer. Modify your answer. Modify your answer.
Yes. Take my answer. Yes, my answer here will be equal to 4. Answer is 4, Pedro.
4. Your answer is 4. Give me 1 minute. Give me 3 seconds there. 4. Teach me.
You see, I'm finding y-intercept, right? So since the f of x is equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 4, I replace f of x to y to get y equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. I group them by saying 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. I factor a, I will get x parenthesis open 2x minus x parenthesis open 2x minus 3. And then the formula for finding y-intercept is y equals to x plus b, where b is how you call it, where b is the y-intercept. So I consider 2x
Save your breath.
minus 3
Save
to
10
be
points. Save your breath. Save 10 points. The question is question number 2. The question is question number 2. And I read for both schools. Question number 2. And I read. Find the focal of the ellipse with the equation x squared over 25 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. Find the focal of the ellipse x squared over 25 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. Find the focal of the ellipse.
D.
Dream. What is the answer?
The focus is at parenthesis open 5,4 close it.
You are wrong. The question. Find the focus of the equation of the ellipse x squared over 25 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1.
How many time we got left, Thomas?
We have about 20 seconds remaining.
Abu Swajan.
What is the
Answer.
answer?
Parenthesis open plot of minus 3,0.
Parenthesis open plus or minus 3,0. Teach me.
First of all, I find the vectors to be parenthesis open x plus or minus 5,0 and 0, plus or minus 4. I take part to be the longest sum, and using the formula C square equal A square plus B square to find C.
10 points. No need to continue. C square is equal to A square plus B square. 10 points. No need to continue. That's the formula I was looking for. 10 points. And the score is 30 points to DRIMS school system and 30 points to Patmelia. The question is question number 3, second half. And I read question number 3. Find the coefficient. Find the coefficient of x raised to the third power. Find the coefficient of x raised to the third power in the expansion. In this expansion. Find the coefficient of x raised to the third power in this expansion. Parenthesis open 3x minus 2 equals 6 to the fifth power. Parenthesis open 3x minus 2 equals 6 raised to the fifth power. Find the coefficient of x raised to the third power. Find the coefficient of x raised to the third power in this expansion.
DRIMS. 10 seconds.
Yes, the coefficient there will be nothing else but just the coefficient there will be nothing else but 150.
The coefficient will be nothing else but 150. 150 is not correct. 150 is not correct. Patmelia, you have 15 more seconds remaining on the clock.
Yes.
Now you have 10 seconds remaining.
I get 1,080.
1,080. 1080. Is that what you said?
Yes.
1,080.
Yes,
Teach me.
Yes, I expand the polynomial that says 3x minus 2 equals to the fifth power, which will be can you get me?
Go ahead.
Which will be 2 for the 3x, 2 for the 3x to a fifth. Since it is negative, since we have negative in the expansion, where after every positive we get one negative, so it will be 3x to the 2 for the 3x to the fifth minus 162x to the fourth plus.
Are you solving or are you
plus
teaching me?
4?
What are you doing? You just got an answer. Be fast with. You just got an answer, so I think you went through the steps. Be fast with your solution.
How did you arrive at your answer? Tell us.
As I expanded the question, I'll get 243x to the fifth minus 600. I'll get 243x to the fifth minus 810x to the minus 800. I mean the minus 810x to the fourth plus 1,080x cubed. Say I want the coefficient of x cubed, I just say 1,080x cubed. I just say 1,080. Get me?
13 points. 13 points. So this is what I'm going to tell you for the last time. You solved this problem without pausing, and you came to a solution. So we are asking you to prove your answer. The same solution you follow to derive to the answer. That's why we want you to tell us. We don't want you to be she speaking. The same solution you follow. That's why you want you to tell us.
The next time it will be -5 from your points. We should give 5 points. The next time it happens, we'll not give you a point. The third time it happens, we have to ask you all again.
Exactly. When it happens again,
we're not guessing.
You're not guessing. The next time we'll be out.
We know you're not guessing. So tell us how you got out your answer.
you.
The question is going to be number 4, second half. Solve the trigonometry equation. Solve the trigonometry equation. 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x. I come again. 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0 on the interval of 0 and 2 pi. On the closed interval of 0 and 2 pi. Solve the trigonometry equation. 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x plus 1 equals 0.
T.
Dreams. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, veteran. The answer is nothing else but 180 degrees.
You're solving for x.
Yeah, S is equal to nothing else but 180 degrees.
And you're okay, 180 degree. Give me 180 degree in par. Modify answer in par.
Okay, in par, the answer will be nothing else but just par itself, par.
And you're wrong. You're wrong. Solve the trigonometry equation. 2 sin square x plus 3 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time. X is equal to 7 pi over 6, and x is equal to 11 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. The question is going to be question number 5. Solve the system of non-linear. Actually, question. You know what? Actually, question. Question is number 9. Question is number 5. A 4-digit numbers. Hold on, I'm getting lost in the background. Somebody's talking in the background, please.
Christopher, already talking.
A 4-digit number is to be constructed using the digits 1, 2, and 3. I repeat, a 4-digit number is to be constructed using the digit 1, 2, and 3. How many of 3 numbers are odd? How many numbers can be of 3 numbers? I can make it. How many of these numbers are odd and less than 2,000? I repeat the question. A 4-digit number is to be constructed using only the digits 1, 2, and 3. How many of these numbers are odd and less than 2,000? If you're playing music in the background, we're having music in the background, please. Background. This is unacceptable.
Why?
Somebody playing music in the background, please mute yourself if that's it. The 4-digit number is to be constructed using only the digits 1, 2, and 3. How many of these numbers are odd and less than 2,000?
Pass.
Patmelia.
96.
Wrong. A 4-digit number is to be constructed using only the digits 1, 2, and 3. How many of these numbers are odd and less than 2,000? 10 seconds.
4, version 4.
Wrong. Wrong. 4 is wrong. The answer is 18. 18. 18. 1. The first DJ 1 has just one choice, and the fourth DJ has 1 or 3 has 2 choices, and the second and the third DJs are unrestricted and they have 3 choices. So it's 1 times 3 times 3 times 2 is equal to 18. 1 times 3 times 3 times 2 is equal to 18. The answer is 18. And we move on to the question number 6. Please give me a split second. Question number 6. Split second.
James.
Yes, Sergeant.
The
Yes,
background
Sergeant.
is, I don't know if it's disturbing you, but the background is noisy. Just tell them.
Yeah, very important.
Hearing them. It's affecting the game. That's what the coordinator is affecting the game. So first,
Sergeant.
you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. The score we have here is 40 points to Patmelia and 30 points to DRIMS school system. The margin we have here is 10 points in favor of Patmelia. So folks, if you are just joining us, this is the second game of the day. And we have the last game, or we have one more game to climax this day. And that game will be between Samoa International and TWA. Samoa versus TWA. That'll be the last game of the day.
Thank you so much, Thomas. Thank you. The question here is number 6. The question is number 6. Solve the radical equation. The long root. Solve the radical equation. Parenthesis open. The long root of 3x squared plus 10x, parenthesis closes, minus 5 is equal to 0. Solve the radical equation. Parenthesis opens, pass. 10 seconds.
Yes. Take my answer to be x is equal to minus 5 or x is equals to negative 5 or 3. I can make it.
You're wrong. Save your breath. You're wrong. Solve the quadratic equation. Parenthesis open. The root of 3x plus 10, 3x squared plus 10x, parenthesis closes, minus 5 is equal to 0. 1. 10 seconds.
Yes, Fedrin. The
answer.
Yes, in this radical equation, the value of s will be nothing else but just 5 over 3.
Or just 5 over 3. What if I answer 5 over 3?
Fedrin.
1, 2.
The value of s in the radical equation will be nothing else but s will become 5 over 3 or s will become negative 5.
5 over 3 or negative 5. Take 10. Thomas Sabe, over to you.
The other one happening today, we want to say the score is 40-40.
Yeah.
40-40. We have 3 more questions to climax this game, and the score is 40-40. 40-40, and we have 3 more questions to climax this game.
Patmelia comes from Montserrado County, and DRIMS school system from Bassa County. And these are some of the finest math students in the nation. We have the student there from Bassa County, and that is the DRIMS school system, and Patmelia from Montserrado County. Thomas, please continue.
So, folks, we have 3 more. Questions.
Wait, Thomas, hold on, Thomas. if you put whoever say 5 is not necessary, I only call a name to prove. Put your answer, your -5 back into the equation, and you have 0 is equal to 0. You put 5 or 3 back in the equation, you will have 0 is equal to 0. So -5 is acceptable. -5 is acceptable. Put it back in the equation and prove. Thomas, please continue.
Okay, thanks for that clarity. So, folks, we want to say this is how we come to the middle or to the interesting part of the game. The score is 40 points to Dream School System and 40 points to Patmelia. We have 3 more questions to come out this game. The question is question number 7. And I read for both schools. Find the exact value of sin 25 degrees.
Wait. 10 seconds.
You have 10 seconds.
One.
Find the exact value of sin 75 degrees.
We got that, yeah.
Yeah. The answer is the rule of 6 plus the rule of 2 over 4.
The rule of 6 plus the rule of 2 over 4. Teach me.
Yeah, so this is a sum function, and then we are using the sum formula to solve it. Because we have in trigonometry we have the product, we have the sum, and then we have so many functions, but then we will deal with the sum.
What's the formula? What is the sum formula you're talking about?
So the sum formula says sin parentheses OB S plus Y will be equal to sin parentheses OB S plus Y. Because the formula be sin parentheses OB S plus Y will be equal to sin S sin Y plus cos S cos Y. And then you are given the 75 degrees. So we can expand 75 degrees by saying sin parentheses OB 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Going after 30 degrees 75. We plug it inside the sum formula already now. You solve it again with 6 or we say plus with 2 over 4.
And plug it in there, let me see how you got it.
So it will be some parentheses will be S plus Y, which is 45 degrees plus 30 degrees will be equal to sin S, which will be sin 45 degrees times sin 30 degrees plus cos 45 degrees times cos 30 degrees. And sin 45 degrees here, you see the sum formula will give you sin 45 degrees is sin 45 degrees using the sum formula is root 2 over 2 times sin 30 degrees using the sum formula is 1 over 2 plus cos 45 degrees using the sum formula is using the sum formula also is root 2 over 2, and then cos 30 degrees using the same sum formula is nothing else but cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. So there's a complete fraction. Solving the fraction, we say root 2 times 1 equals root 2. On here we got 2 times 2, which is 4. Plus, we go to the second side, equals the plus sign. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6. Or we got 2 times 2, 4. So we have both our left fraction, we have left denominator here, which is 4 and 4. So we take 1 and 4, and then 4 into this at 1 times 1 times root 2 is root 2. Plus 4 into this at 1 times 1 times root 6 at root 6 again. You can either eventually as root 2 plus root 6 over 4 or root 6 plus root 2 over 4. It is commented.
10 points. 10 points. Yeah, what's the point?
Yeah, my opponent said I was wrong. We can guess the sum root for sin is not sin. The sum root for sin is not sin x sin y plus. You say sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. It's very, very wrong. The sum root for sin is sin x cos y plus cos y sin x. So you was wrong.
Yeah, but when maybe probably the formula he did not get it correct. I want to believe that somehow It was a constant. He just take it as a constant memorize this. But however, when he came down to the some 40 degree by dividing it by some 40 degree and plus 30 degree, I think for that point down, you're making some sense. So that's why I
Yeah,
like you to
yeah,
make it.
Virgin. Yeah, Virgin.
Thomas,
Virgin.
for the
Hello.
sake of
Virgin.
time, let me jump in.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me jump in. Dream school system. If that happens again, you will not have your 4 points. This is your last warning. Patmelia already have their
Okay,
warning.
Sergeant.
Patmelia already have their
Okay,
warning.
Sergeant.
If that happens again, if you cannot
Okay, Sergeant.
scientifically prove the next time you take -5. So it's fair and equal across the board.
Okay, Sergeant.
Thomas Tapper. Well, let's hold on. Thomas Tapper, please go ahead.
That again, it is
Yeah. Thomas, please go ahead. And the score is let's make sure we go with the score too. The score is 50 to Dreams and 40 to Patmelia. Is that correct?
yeah, 50 the dreams and 40 to Patmelia.
Two
So
questions
if
to go.
that happens again to both schools, you'll not be awarded a point.
Two questions.
Okay, Sergeant.
Answer both schools.
Two
So we have
questions.
2 more questions to come at this game. The question is question number 8. In a read. If complement of an angle is 2/3 of the
Virgin,
angle.
we
We hear you, Sergeant.
Thomas, will you repeat the question? Please be audible. Thomas, please.
Are you guys hearing me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I read again. If the complement of an angle is 2/3 of the angle, if the complement of an angle is 2/3 of the angle, find the measure of the angle.
E.
You have 10 seconds.
1,
1.
2.
Yes. The measure of the angle is nothing else but just 50, 54 degree, 54 degree.
Come again, your answer.
The measure of the angle is nothing else but 54 degree, 54 degree.
Teach me.
Yeah, so this is a complement question, and then the complement of any angle in the world is nothing minus x or nothing minus theta. Anyone can vary about any variable or angle. So the complement of any angle is nothing minus theta. Let me say it that way. So you say the complement of an angle which is nothing minus theta is 2/3 of the angle, which is 2/3 times theta. Solving it, there is a complete equation, and we cross multiply. So we say 3 times 90 minus theta equal 2 theta. And we say 3 times 90 degree is 270 degree minus 3 times theta is 3 theta equal 2 theta. Because the equation because we have 2 theta equation already. Then we have 270 degree equal 2 theta plus 3 theta. Adding the 2 theta equation, we get 270 degree equal to 5 theta. By adding the days in elementary school, we have division, we put it on a division bar. And then we say 5 into 27 is 5 down, 5 and 5 is 25, 27 minus 5 is 2, we bring 0 down, 5 into 20 is 4. Then again, the complement angle which is theta is equal to nothing else but 54 degree.
10 points. Did that paper you were with that? When you went from step to step, probably when you came down, you use another method for one step. So 10 points. The score is 10 points to Dream School System and 40 points to Patmelia. The last question to come out this game, and I read. Mary is 24 years older than her son Tom. Mary is 24 years older than her son Tom. In 6 years, Mary will be twice as old as Tom. How old are Mary and Tom now? How old are they now? Mary is 24 years older than her son Tom. In 6 years, Mary will be twice as old as Tom. How old are they now?
See,
Dreams.
Yes, DRIMS.
so by now, maybe let's say Tom first. Let's take it one at a time. By now, Tom will be 18 years old, while Mary will be nothing else but just 42 years old, brethren.
Come on, you want to answer?
By now, present now, Tom will be 18 years old, while Mary will be nothing else but 42 years old, brethren.
Tom will be 18 years old. That is fair R. And Mary will be 42 years old. Another fair R. Teach me.
Yeah, so there's an age point question, and then it involves Mary and Tom. And we say, according to you now, you say Mary is 24 years older than Tom.
Let's go to it. Just tell me the equation. What is
Okay,
the equation?
to have Tom, so the equation is you gotta use X to represent Tom age. 2 parentheses open S plus 6 equal parentheses open S plus 24 plus 6. We solve it, we get S equal 18 for Tom age.
And folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. DRIMS school system 70 points and Patmelia 40 points. The margin is 30 points in short of DRIMS school system.
All right. So what's 70-40? That's the final score. 70 or 80?
70-40.
70-40. All right, that's the final score. Patmelia, great job. The message here is always simple. It is not about the win or team. What at the end of the day, what we want you to know is that you ask yourself internally, do I have the fundamental that is necessary to take me into any quantitative, tech, or engineering field? And the answer, if the answer is yes, then that's good for you. If the answer is no, keep working on the fundamentals, and we wish you best of luck in all of your life endeavor. All right. It was a pleasure interacting with you through the Math Quiz Board. We are still here with you, Dream School System. Dream School System, congratulations, and you are moving on to the round of 6. The round of 6 means that the power of the question, the intensity of the question is going to increase. So good luck with that, and we'll see you in the round of 6. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Federn.
All right. So to the audience out there, please bear with us. We have the last game. We have the last game of the day, and that game is going to be between the College of West Africa versus Samoa. And Thomas, at least let's give some folks their flowers. I mean, the Quizzical flowers while they're here. That little Boya, the Boya family is around, so it's a good thing to see. All right. We have Sabari. Sabari Williams is also
one of the strongest men from Bassa County.
Right. Sabari went through this program 3 years, and it paid off. We also have I saw the like of Isaac Woolen. Isaac Woolen just joined, but I know the reason why Isaac Woolen joined, not to watch this game. And I know the reason Isaac, but we watching you. So the next game of the day that is coming in a split second, that game is going to be the College of West Africa and Samoa. That is a physical encounter. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, students, school administrators, we thank you. Thanks for supporting and following us. Let's jump into the next game of the day. Thank you.